Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily remove and change bands on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So as you guys can see here, we have our band. Now if we want to remove the bands from our watch, then we have those little buttons right here. As you guys can see, we got one here and one here. So now we need to press it with one hand and now pull the band out of the watch, so it should come off pretty easily. And now time for the second one. It came off perfectly. So as you guys can see, now they're separate, and when you got some else bands, not these ones, then you guys can easily change them by basically plugging them in. It's very simple. So as you guys can see, now they're plugged in and you guys can use them as always. So basically this is how you guys can remove and change the bands for your Mi Band 10. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.